You also have to add a shipping zone. So typically, the shipping zone is going to be the lower 48 plus Washington, D.C. So that's what that means is you're going to see the option to select all of the United States. There will be 62 states because this includes all of the territories that are also in the United States. So, what we want to do is make sure we get this down to 49, which is going to be everything minus. So it's basically the lower 48. So no Alaska, no Hawaii, and none of our territories like the American Samoa. We have Micronesia, Guam, Marshall Islands, Northern Mariana Islands, Palau, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, and there are 3 Air Force bases. Let me just come back up here. We verify. So here's 50 of 62. So let's go figure out which the other one was, which was Hawaii. Now we have 49 of 62, which is what we would expect to see. At that point, I'd click done. And now I need to add a rate.